What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition tablet with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside the tablet, all of its accessories that we got inside this box, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on this retail box. Here on the front side we got the picture of the tablet and the case that comes inside this retail box, and here we also got a stylus or pen. This tablet comes with Huawei's app gallery, so you need to know that it does not come with the Google Play Store, but you can download all of the applications and software needed from Huawei's app gallery. The device we got inside is deep sea blue. It comes with 32 GB storage and 2 GB RAM. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So here is the Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition, and here we got a 5-watt charger. There is a SIM card tray ejector pin, but I guess this is for the memory card slot because as I know this device is Wi-Fi only. We got some stuff inside. So here we got the quick start guide, and there is a USB Type-C cable. And that's all we got. So inside the retail box of Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition, you will find the MatePad T10 Kids Edition tablet along with this case. There will be one stylus as well. Then we got the USB Type-C cable, 5-watt charger and the quick start guide along with a SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is the Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition. And first of all, I would like to check the pen, the stylus, because it is already placed in the slot itself. So here you can see this is the case we got. Here is a nice handle that you can use to carry the tablet, and you can also use it as a stand for the tablet. So this is quite nice. And as we have seen that the case comes with the slot where your kids can place the stylus, so it won't go missing after a while. So first of all, let's switch on the device. Here is the power key. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to use this stand here instead of holding the tablet in my hand all of the time. So while it's booting up, let me tell you about the few of the specs. So the specs are pretty much same like the Huawei MatePad T10 regular edition, but obviously there are some differences, and I'm going to make a separate video in which I will talk about what's the difference between T10 Kids Edition and T10 regular edition. But just to give you a brief idea, the MatePad T10 Kids Edition comes with Kirin 710A processor, Mali G51 GPU, we got 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, we got a 9.7-inch HD screen, 5-watt charging with 5000 mAh battery, and the device runs on Android 10.1. So now I'm just going to do this quick setup, and after that we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition, and you can see that even the wallpaper itself is targeted and suitable for kids, that it comes with all of these space stuff, planet, Saturn's ring, the satellites, etc. So this is quite nice. We got some stuff here as well. So first of all, let's just start with the design. And talking about the design instead of the tablet, first let's start with this case. So the material used in the case is very nice. It's very soft and provides a very nice grip while holding it. And you can see on the back we got this perforated pattern that's also once again is providing very nice grip. Also on the sides, and we got all of these cuts here, holes for the slots we got on MatePad T10 Kids Edition. Also a slot for the camera. Here is the slot for the stylus. You can just take it out like this and you can put it back when the job is done. And this is a very nice idea because usually kids lose their pen, pencil, stylus very quickly. So we got this lanyard that's connected with the stylus, and the stylus goes here in the slot. So dual protection, and this handle is very nice and performs multiple tasks. First of all, you can use it for carrying the tablet, and then you can use it as a stand for the tablet as well. So this is really nice design idea for sure. And we got this Huawei branding here, and also on the back. So now let's have a look on the device design. For that, I will have to remove this case, and here we go. So this is the case we got, and actually, as I know, it comes only in blue color and this with green handle. So it would be really nice if Huawei could provide multiple options in some bright colors like pink, orange. It would be great for kids to select the case in one of their favorite color. Now talking about the Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition, so you can see that it comes with a bit thick bezel, and there is a reason for that because it comes with this case as well. So once the case is attached to the body, obviously it's going to cover some part of the bezel. So if the bezels are very thin, then the screen will be occupied by the case, and then the real estate of the screen will be reduced. So it's actually good to have thick bezels on MatePad T10 Kids Edition because you will use it with this case. And it's pretty lightweight actually. It's actually very lightweight in my hand. Along with the case, it weighs more than 700 grams, but I think without case it's not more than 450 or 425. It's very lightweight and it's slipping from my hand. The back panel is very smooth, and if you have watched my previous videos, the design is totally like MatePad T10. We got this dual tone design. At the top it's different, then darker shade. Same spot we got the camera. I forgot to tell, this is 5 megapixel rear camera, and we got a 2 megapixel on the front side. On the right hand side you got the memory card slot, 3.5mm jack USB Type-C port. We got a speaker. On the left hand side we just got the speaker grill. At the top we got the volume rockers, power key, a microphone, another microphone, and that's all. So the design is quite nice, just the bezels are a bit thick, but it's very lightweight and the build quality is looking nice as well. But the back panel is very slippery, and if you're planning to buy this for your kids, then I will advise to ask them to use the case all of the time, because as I said, the back panel is slippery, the device is slipping from my hand while holding it, and I'm sure that kids are going to drop it and it will damage the device. So better to use that case. Now I'm gonna put this device back in the case here. And here we go. So this is the home screen. As you can see that it comes with Huawei's app gallery. We got lots of Emotion UI applications like Optimizer, Themes, Calendar, Gallery, Camera, Huawei Browser, Email, Music, Video, and if you swipe left you will find the Notepad files. We got the Kids Corner, we got the Tablet Clone, Tips. Under Tools you will find some nice and useful applications, and as you can see that it comes with FM radio as well, and there is voice recorder, clock, calculator, and we got these empty folders categorized as business, entertainment, social, lifestyle, games. So if you connect your device to the internet, then all of these folders will be automatically populated with suggestions related to all of these app categories, and if you want to download any of them, then you can just download. If you go to the kids folder, here you will find Baby Panda World and Azumi. This device comes with 1 year free subscription of Azumi, using which your kids can watch some videos, kids shows, play some games, etc. Lots of stuff for kids on Azumi. So this is quite nice. And then we got the Baby Panda World. It's for infants and all, with nursery rhymes, so depending on the age of the kids. And if we swipe from the top, here you can see it comes with some nice features that your kids can use. For example, it comes with the dark mode, and then it got the eye comfort mode. So if you know that your kid is going to use the tablet for a while, an hour or something, then you can turn on the eye comfort mode. The screen will be a bit yellowish and the blue light filter will be activated to avoid any harm to your kid's eyes. And if the kid is going to read an ebook or something, then you can turn on the ebook mode and everything will be converted into black and white to give an appearance of like reading a physical book in black and white. You can see like everything is black and white right now, like a real book. So these are some nice features that you can use for your kids' eyes safety. And if you go to the settings, here you can see we got lots of stuff. Under the digital balance, you can keep your day balanced, and this is where you will find the option to manage the screen time for your child. So you can do the setup for the screen time management. I will make a separate video to show how this exactly works and how you can do the setup, but just want to let you know that This feature we got on Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition. And not only the screen time, you can even control the application and the content that your kids are using to make sure that the content consumed by your kids is healthy for them. And now if you go to the Kids Corner, this is where you will find all of the features that are especially designed for the kids. So first of all, let me reduce the volume. Okay, here we go. So you can see that it comes with eye protection. So we got different mode. The first one is blue light filter. I have already talked about it. Then we got the ebook mode. I also talked about it earlier. Then we got two nice features. The first one is the posture alert. If your kid is using the tablet and their posture is not correct for their health, they are like bending in the forward direction a lot, then the Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition is smart enough to detect it and it will send an alert to fix the posture. Another one is the bumpy road alert. So for example, if your kid is using this tablet in your car and the road is bumpy, so the gyroscope will detect that the device is shaking, the car is shaking, and this is not good for the eyes because the focus is changing constantly. So once again, it will give an alert that you are going through a bumpy road and better to not use the tablet for a while until the road is better. So these are very nice feature. And then we got the time management. As I have said, like you can set the daily limit, available hours, length per session, and rest between the sessions as well. So very useful feature and time management, that how long and in which way kids can use this tablet. So considering these features itself, if you're planning to buy a tablet for your kids, a very nice option is the MatePad T10 Kids Edition. And here we got the featured content. We have already seen the Azumi, Panda World, and Huawei App Gallery Kids Center. And here you can put the lock screen password as parent, so your kids cannot use it without your permission. So lots of features and options we got on the Kids Corner. And later in another video, I will show you how to use all of these features. And now let's talk about the screen. So we got a 9.7-inch HD screen. So the PPI you will get is around 160. It's not too much, but it's not that bad as well. If I bring the display close to the camera lens, you can get the idea about the display. So it's not great, but it's not bad as well. And it's bright enough as well, not too bright. And it's a good thing because too much brightness affects kids' eyes. So this brightness is good enough, and the touch screen sensitivity is quite nice as well. Let's try the stylus we got here. I'm just going to the notepad. It's pretty nice, very sensitive, working perfectly. That's nice. Let's try to write something. So it's working quite nicely, as you can see here. So kids are going to have fun with this device for sure, thanks to this stylus, this nice multi-purpose case, and some nice applications like Azumi, Baby Panda World, etc. we got on this device. So overall, Huawei MatePad T10 Kids Edition is very nice for kids in every way. So if you're planning to buy a tablet, especially for your kids, this one is the best option, I guess, that you got right now. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.